From scenic trails to charming towns, this guide to day trips near Florence offers everything you need for a memorable adventure close to home.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Join us for an unforgettable culinary experience at our exclusive farm-to-table event. Located just outside of Florence, our picturesque estate offers an unparalleled setting for learning the art of crafting exquisite pizzas and creamy gelatos. Discover the art of crafting authentic homemade pasta, reminiscent of traditional techniques used by our esteemed ancestors in Italy. Our culinary academy, nestled within an ancient medieval tower, dating back to the 12th century, offers a unique learning environment close to iconic landmarks such as Brunelleschi's Dome and the birthplace of the renowned poet Dante Alighieri. Learn how to prepare traditional Italian dishes such as pizza and gelato through a late afternoon class. Under the guidance of a skilled chef, participants will learn the art of crafting exquisite pizzas, including the pizzaiolo variety. Join us for an enriching culinary experience at a renowned restaurant in the heart of the city. Our expert instructors will guide you through the process of creating exquisite fresh pasta and the quintessential tiramisu, both traditional favorites of Italian cuisine. Visitez les splendides rues de Florence en compagnie d'un guide officiel pour explorer son patrimoine architectural et artistique sous un nouveau jour. Cette visite immersive réalisée à pied vous permettra de découvrir les principales zones historiques de la ville sans quitter votre guide. Interested in mastering the art of creating authentic Italian delicacies, such as pasta and gelato? Consider enrolling in our cooking classes designed to bring these beloved treats to life. Our pasta making class offers an immersive experience, guiding participants through the process of crafting fresh pasta from scratch. If you ardently appreciate the television series The Medici, harbor an insatiable curiosity for Florence, or possess a profound fascination with art and history, then the Medici Experience Tour emerges as an unparalleled gem. Upon engaging with our distinguished local guide, embark on a captivating journey into the past as we step foot within the opulent Palazzo Medici, residence of this illustrious dynasty.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.